Listen now, I ain't gonna lie. This was supposed to be a drawing video at first, but I, I just waited too long to start. It was like 1:30 in the morning. You know, I was about to fall asleep, hit the table, my eyes closed and my eyelids were hitting like all types of dances. It was rough. But I'm gonna have that video out later. In the meantime, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my like little bummy workplace. Well, a certain section of my room. You know, I just moved into this place, so it ain't like really decorated or nothing. And this ain't like a full room tour. I'm gonna do a full room tour probably like later in the year once I get like all my posters, everything, all my stuff together. But for now, I'm gonna just show you like where I store some of basically my YouTube stuff, how I get it, and stuff like that. But anyway, you know, I'm gonna get straight to it. So as you can see, I got the little shelf right here. I'm a little bit organized. Usually like it looks like a complete mess, but I try to be a little bit organized. But the top stuff is like, that's usually where I put the like most important stuff. You can see like the sketchbook I always use in my videos. It's right at the top. You know, I don't have any problems. I can just grab it real quick, go straight into the video. I have my markers, my outliners. They're all in this bag. Like I said, I'm going to get like a little holder someday to put them all organized. But there's even Crayola marker in there. But these are the markers I mainly use in my videos. That and like the Prismacolor markers at the bottom. Listen, you gotta have the Crayolas. That's essential. You gotta have a pair of Crayolas with you all times. I got the lead pencils over here. I use them to do the drawing in my videos. The sharpener. Y'all can see the little mannequin dude. He's still going crazy for now one video. Hold on. Right next to the shelf is a little light I use. Hey, this light came in handy when I'm doing stuff at night because it works perfectly. It's like real bendy and stuff. I can put it right on top of the drawing and everything. It works fine. I'm gonna have to hang up some of like my drawings on the wall or something. Anyway, we about to take it down the shelf. As you can see, I got my sketchbook here. Well, where I store all my drawings, basically. I put them in this binder right here. Underneath them, I got like, this is just like a bunch of construction paper, I think. Sometimes I put it like behind my drawings as like a background or something. This is the watercolor pad that I got from Arteza. Hey, you'll probably see that pad in the upcoming video soon because I'm gonna try again to use the watercolor brush pens that I got. You know, I've been practicing a little bit outside of YouTube with them, so hopefully the next drawing I do with them comes out a lot better than the first one. On the bottom, I gotta bend down real quick. As the bottom, I have like all my other markers and stuff. I got my Prismacolor pencils, the Prismacolor markers. I use that in like all my videos. I usually put that on the top shelf, but anyway, the hoo-hoo markers, you know, I had to clear a space for them. I had to make a little space for the hoo-hoo markers. They've been stepping up lately. I like those. But the main thing on this shelf, listen, as y'all can see, y'all see the iPhone there. Listen, that was the iPhone I started my YouTube channel with. I got a new phone like a while back, but you know, I had to keep this one. This is the phone I started my YouTube channel with, started recording it with. So you know, I just have too many memories with it. I couldn't like let it go, so I had to keep that. I didn't want to trade it in. I need to put this on the top shelf actually. Yeah, put it right there, right next to the pencils. Now, right next to the shelf, that's where I put my play button. Like I say all the time, I can't thank y'all enough for helping me reach that milestone. I want to hang it up on the wall eventually, but by the time I do like the full room tour, I'm gonna have it hanging up on the wall, so we'll be good. Anyway, right underneath that, we got a whole bunch of junk, so you don't need to worry about that. Now, moving on over here, as y'all can see, we got the professional art studio. We got the professional setup right here. Involves putting a shoe, get a selfie stick in the shoe. Listen, I stepped it up a little bit. I use the umbrella now to hold it down. Because like I said, the new phone I'm using right now is a little bit bigger. So sometimes like the whole entire shoe tips over and goes on my drawing. So I had to use like this little umbrella to hold it down. It does better than like a little weight at the bottom of the shoe. And over here, we got my busted up chair. That's where I sit in when I'm doing my drawing. Look at this. You know, next time I do the room tour, we about to get a new one. I'm gonna have a super recliner, double deluxe leather. We about to go crazy in the next room tour. But anyway, that's pretty. Oh, over here we got, you know, I had to get the little plug-in freshener thing. It's supposed to smell like It's like caramel or something. It's supposed to like remind you of the fall or something. I don't know, but that's pretty much my little workplace. Shout out to Casey Golden. I saw her video about her workplace. Maybe I wanted to make a little video about mine too. Anyway, though, like I said, hopefully I'll have a video out by Sunday, another drawing video. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm out.